Let's pick up developments from Uttarkashi, where we are being told that the Indian Army has now joined in the rescue operations for the 41 workers stuck in the Silkyara tunnel. They have been now spotted moving their equipment to the tunnel site as work was on to remove the auger machine, which was broken when it encountered a metal obstruction while drilling through the debris. Remember, there are 2 points of ingress that are now being attempted. The initial point of ingress, which was going through the debris, was stopped just 11 meters short after metal obstructions actually shattered the blades of the auger machine, which we're being told at this point of time are being removed. What you're seeing are latest visuals there of Indian Army teams and engineering corps experts who are being roped in to help remove the auger machine debris. Simultaneously, we have been made to understand that the vertical drilling operations have now commenced, which is to go from the top of the hill into the tunnel, and that's a 93-meter process. Akshit, my colleague, has been there on the ground as we come to hopefully nearer the end than the beginning of this saga, where every possible effort has now been put in to get this done as fast as possible. More patience is going to be required. Luckily, all the workers are stable and in good condition. Akshit, let's start with the basics on what's happening on the ground. So let's start with the horizontal drilling operation, which has now been paused to remove the broken auger blades. How is that situated?
Well, yes, despite all the efforts by multi-agencies, the 41 workers who have been stranded inside the tunnel for now a fortnight are not able to get out as of now. And if I just may also tell you, as you said, the horizontal drilling process has actually been halted on Friday night after the auger machine, the American auger machine, met with a technical snag. And if I can just also show you some visuals right there, then you can see that's the opening mouth of the tunnel, the Silkyara barcode tunnel, and that's where, you know, a lot of machines are stationed there because the work is going on in full swing. So now what's happening is, what we are picking up, that the auger machine is being pulled out so that the manual drilling can actually take place. And when we talk to the officials also, then they said that it's very likely that manual drilling can actually begin today. There you can see. And also, you know, the auger machine which is being pulled out the process is now 12 to 14 meters is left, and after it's pulled out, then you know, the manual drilling process will begin, in which a team of 2 people will be sent inside the pipes, the 800 mild steel pipes, and they will be carrying out the operation using the cutters and the welding machine to push the pipes through the debris, so that a safe passage can be created for the workers.
Okay, so let's put this into a quick perspective of what's happening. Now, they had to cover a distance of just over 60 meters. That's how much debris there was. Remember, there's a 2-kilometer tunnel inside, which is perfectly clear of debris, which is where the 41 trapped workers have been residing for the past now 15 days. So they made it to the 11 or 12 meter mark. At the 11 or 12 meter mark, the auger machine that they were using hit a metal obstruction. So the blades have got damaged. Now they want to, which they're currently doing, remove the blades, then send the auger machine back in with fresh blades. They are confident with the ground penetrating scanning that they've done, that the next 5 or 6 meters at least is clear of any mechanical obstruction, which means they come to the last 5, 6, 7 meters. The last 7, 8 meters have to be done through hand chiseling. And the reason for the hand chiseling is because the auger machines have mechanical vibrations. It's a machine in the end. And there is a risk that the vibrations could further loosen debris. And the last thing you want is more cascade vibrations in the tunnel, causing potentially more points of failure. So you want to do it very sensitively, very gingerly. So the last few meters are going to be very ginger. Okay. Now they are confident that the tunneling that is happening horizontally through the tunnel, through the section in which the debris has collapsed, these are the steps to now undertake in that last few meters left. Simultaneously, in case there are further issues with the horizontal drilling, a vertical shaft, that 93-meter shaft which had been discussed, which is far more complex and of course longer, a near 100 meters is 40-50% more distance than they had to cover horizontally. Operations to get that started is being done also. So let me ask my colleague on the ground. So Akshit, so now we know about the horizontal situation. More importantly, at this point of time, what is the health and safety of the trapped workers? So now we are being told that a telecommunications line, a phone line literally has been provided to them by BSNL. So they are being able to have easy communication with the rescuers and their family members. How is their health and safety? What's the latest on that?
Well, yes, all the checks are being kept to provide all the facilities to the 41 trapped workers inside the collapsed portion of the tunnel. And as you said, the BSNL has also set up a landline so that the workers can communicate with their family members. Because it's also to be noted that the impact on their psychological health is also there. And of course, to evade that, all the things are being done. And other than that, the agencies are also providing them with board games, and also they have planned to provide them with a cricket bat and ball, because there is an area of 2 kilometers in which they can move around. So of course that's a very big area. So their psychological health is also being kept in mind, and after they get out of the tunnel, then there are 41 ambulances stationed over here, one for each worker, and they will be kept under medical observation for 24 to 48 hours.
That's once they're out, right? So somebody will have to go in, the NDRF guys will have to go in, a couple of them will go in to help assist them in the winching process to pull them out, whether it's horizontally or vertically. The best bet right now is that the horizontal tunnel, which is just a few meters away from success, that they manage to clear the blockage, put in new auger blades and get there and finish the hand chiseling. For now, Akshit, thanks very much. We'll keep tracking this. The Chief Minister is monitoring this. Union Ministers are monitoring it at the highest levels.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.